Hello friends, you are on the Home Tips channel. In this video I want to share with you a recipe for a very simple yet incredibly effective cleaning product. To make it, we need to mix citric acid and dish soap. Citric acid is great for making homemade cleaning products. It easily removes limescale, rust and soap scum. Citric acid also kills bacteria, eliminating unpleasant odors and restoring smoothness and shine to dirty, dull surfaces. I'm sure everyone knows about dish soap. It lifts greasy stains from surfaces, making them easy to rinse away. It also removes germs and odors, cleans various surfaces thoroughly, and leaves them shiny. Take a bowl and pour 150 ml of hot water into it. The water should be about 70 degrees Celsius. Next, you need to add citric acid to the water. I'll pour out the entire packet. I have 25 grams here. The second ingredient is dish soap. I add 3 tablespoons of it. And the last thing I'll add is toothpaste. It removes dirt well, smells nice, and gently polishes surfaces. Now mix everything thoroughly until the citric acid crystals are completely dissolved. The toothpaste may not dissolve completely, but that's okay. Pour the finished product into an empty bottle. Let me show you where and what it can be used for. Let's start with the kitchen. Stainless steel kitchen sinks and faucets often become coated with hard water and greasy residue. I shake the product lightly, apply a little onto a damp sponge and onto the surface of the sink. In areas where plaque has accumulated, I use paper towels. After 10 minutes, you can remove paper towels and start cleaning the sink. The product breaks down plaque very well, so you will be surprised how easy it is to clean. After washing, rinse the sink with running water. If your kitchen sink is very dirty, watch the video in the tip at the top right. Everything shines and looks absolutely perfect. There are no water spots, grease or unpleasant odors. Now let's move on to the bathtub. Soap scum and limescale build-up are a constant problem here. Wet the bathtub lightly with water. Then apply a cleaning solution over the entire surface. Pay special attention to the drain and any areas that feel slightly rough. After cleaning, be sure to rinse the product with water. If your bathtub is very dirty, let the product sit on the surface for 5 minutes before cleaning. After cleaning, your bathtub will be clean, smooth, and free of residue and streaks. The same contaminants accumulate on the bathroom sink. I apply the cleaning agent. Using a damp sponge, I spread it over the surface and let it sit for 10 minutes. Now you can clean it. Just look, the sink turns snow white right before your eyes. The faucet is shining, the sink too. Everything shines as if it were new. If you have glass in your shower, you can also safely use this product. Apply a small amount to a damp sponge and wipe the glass. If your glass shower door is very dirty, apply the cleaner, wait 5 minutes, then apply again and wipe the surface with a damp sponge. Repeat this several times if necessary. No chemicals, no pungent odors. The glass in the shower is clear again. Limescale is starting to build up in the toilet. Look, a line is appearing. I pour the solution over the toilet bowl and leave it there. It is best to leave it there for more than just 10 minutes. The longer the better. Leave it for an hour or two, preferably overnight, but most importantly, don't forget to clean it. This product removes limescale and eliminates odors perfectly. I just use a toilet brush to clean the inside of the bowl and everything is perfectly clean. This is the wonderful result you can get if you mix these simple ingredients. No expensive cleaning products required. It's safe, simple and effective. So add citric acid to your dish soap if you want everything in your home to sparkle. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks everyone for watching. See you in more videos.